Hi guys. Today I gonna show you how to make amazing view card using color paper DIY simple paper crafts. So you need some required materials. Take a paper, then creased it, twitch and draw a love, then cut it through the line as like showing on the video. Make more different color love paper by the same way.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now take a white paper and its shape is as like showing on the video. Put the love format paper on this white paper. Now size it by a scale and make a line by pencil. Take the scale again and mark the center of the line. Mark a long line opposite of the paper line center by scale. Now make more wide line by scale which is showing on the video. Keep lining by pencil for a new figure which is showing on the video. Make a line on center of it. Now crease the paper as per each line. Now take the love format paper and glue its selected area. Now put the love format paper below the last line of the figure. Take another color love format paper. Glue its side and attach it on the selected figure. Keep attaching more and more. Now take another yellow color paper. Glue behind the white color paper and attach yellow color paper properly. Keep your eyes carefully. Now take another paper and crease it as two-sided part. Attach love paper on this blue paper by glue. Now take the bottom side white paper and keep pulling slowly. Wow, how beautiful is this? Now take another small size paper and design love by pencil. Crease it and cut its corner end. Make it amazing design by putting small color balls. Make more OT it and attach those on the blue paper for your cover. Keep attaching by glue. Have some glue inside it and attach some more flower inside on it. Okay, now see how beautiful thing you have made. So by this, now you know how to make amazing view card using color paper DIY simple paper crafts and make your home more attractive.